smile. God, hold still. You gotta look festive.
I feel ridiculous.
We're getting ready for the 12 days of Proko. And this year, we got the cool kids. We're talking about the SuperAni team. The heavy hitters. The people who make drawing look frustratingly easy. We got Jaekwang Park doing dynamic figure demos that will melt your brain. A stylized portrait from Eliza Ivanova. Eye-bending 5-point perspective demos from Peter Han.
Yeah, they do make it look too easy. Maybe I should do it.
Maybe next year, buddy. We also got Hyunjin Kim, Stonehouse, Dongho Kim, and Charles Lee. It's 12 days, 7 artists. Every single day brings you something new to help you finish the year off strong. Check out the full schedule at proko.com/12 days. And listen, I know what you want. You want those discounts. We got 15% off all Proko original courses. The good stuff. Drawing basics, anatomy, style.
Say the line, Stan.
It's some real ho-ho holiday savings.
Classic.
It starts December 8th, so get your pencils ready. It's gonna be a busy winter with some bright stars.
I'm Christmas tree, I'm Christmas tree, I'm just a little Christmas tree.